Have you struggled to create TikTok international account? But here a lot of videos are one for how to create TikTok international account. As for them, no, how much I say this one you do either UK or US, and our countries are qualify for TikTok monetization before make me create international account. And then take Pro GH, me will say me be try kwan we first create it without using VPN. When here will be outside your country, either Ghana or anywhere in Africa. And you follow step by step. Na share video ne ko see video no so na what me create one kasa wo TikTok international account, either UK or US account. TikTok betua oka e wo ho. Enti yamko na me nko chiro step by step follow video no up to the end. I take Pro GH with me and subscribe am on YouTube. No follow me on TikTok and Facebook. Dina you take Pro GH.
So yanko ya TikTok app no so. Yanko choose TikTok. And you choose TikTok and now you have terminal load. So this is the TikTok. My TikTok app maybe na or profile no so. About profile no so I say it, but this is my profile. The about profile na no aba. About official name no. DKY media official about arrow no so. VBC DKY media 56 no about add account. No about add account so. The Edo say add account. So I have over signing up. So you Ghana and you change your location no. I in the UK. Any country be with me at location. So baby ya try Qatar. Continue with an account located in Qatar. So you say no. Audience will continue in location in Ghana. So you type on this. You type also. Or select UK, United Kingdom. Maybe use US. So for now, the band TikTok or United. Okay, I'm going to select it. UK. So United Kingdom was selected. So I say down when I change United Kingdom. Now you continue with your Google account. You will type it. Yes, what you should do. One of person or the me will Google account will be into me. You should this one. You type as well. One you terminal load. Load now we select the date of birth. Date of birth January. Select the date of birth. Now about next. So din how they create. Minya din we sa. I will continue. So baba abi a UK account and today is how it looks like. So you call the same profile ornament there. Use the profile. What profile? Yeah, TikTok there. My TikTok is more fun with friends by synchronize your contact them. Before. So this is my new account. This is my new account. I'm try a few new accounts I'm creating here. So this is the UK one to be bought 3 dots away. So about 3 dots to more by studio. Monetization process, say it here. Creator reward program. This is the new account I'm creating. UK. Now view all. Now we go to the difference between get notice when I am eligible. So what type is so when you are eligible, remember message all program to who qualify I have send you notice. You see, creators reward program. Now I'm go back and I'm chill. When 7 minutes schedule last 7 days. So we back. I'm come other profile, men switch it profile. More use on men switch it old account. Old account. I'm what 3. Old account no. Jenko profile. I'm more 3. I'm more top. I'm select it. Yes, my old account. This is my old account. So now I have about 3 dots on so. Or by studio, TikTok studio. What about monetization? It's a difference home UK accounts in Ghana and other countries. On say or say work with artists, subscription, gift, creator, TikTok shop for creators. I mean view no nyina na hwe. Or more procedures Oh, this is the only thing here. Yamko UK account I mean sure. The way no difference, the only difference I own. So this is my UK account. So we can type it. Now I am called trade out so. So this is how I will create an account out in the UK. I will be using the only thing they say will be using a smartphone, no change the location, We have VPN because a lot of countries struggle with VPN. One of us will use VPN, they are creating account. So this is the step how with me create accounts or with me monetize. This is TikTok accounts or with me monetize. I high tech project to be subscribe or like and share our social media platform. So that's it.